Hey, I'm sorry at first hand. I'm gonna steal some of your precious time. I'm gonna hold you here for some next few minutes.
It's a fresh day cream. Wow. We can be friends. To you.
Sometimes we got so lost in our careers, personal relationship that we forget to reconnect with nature and our own native people. And in that emptiness, we slowly slip into depression.
And problem.
Let me return to the mountains where I truly belong, where the whispering winds know my name, the rivers carry my stories, and the towering peaks remind me of my strength. In their embrace, I will heal, reconnect, and find the peace I've been searching for. After years spent in college and the fast-paced city life, I'm finally here, reconnecting with nature, with my native people, and with the place that feels like home.
I know ko ka na.
आज यहाँ में हम लोग रकदम कर रहे हैं रकदम फेमक न भयो ओला आई फेमक यहाँ क्या भयो बोलना है
The green, fresh, organic vegetables and freshly hunted meat, marked by the raw vitality of nature, a reminder of survival, tradition, and the bond between the hunter and the land. Seeing my native people, my grandparents, it feels like I've finally woken up after years of just surviving. After all the stress and chaos, this feels real and this feels like peace. And just like that, it's time to go back to the city, back to the grind. But this time, I'm not the same. I'm carrying the calm, the stories, all tucked in my heart, reminding me of where I truly belong. Life is tough, but do you know what makes it easier? The right people by your side. Surround yourself with those who believe in you, because with the right people, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, who's that person who always lifts you up? Tag them in the comment and show them some love.